The subject of today's video is who are the 3 best affiliate marketing coaches online and what you need to do before you pick one. Hello, my name is Don Novak and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now, quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50%, sometimes as high as 80% of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or manufacturer. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup cost. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. These programs will ask you for a credit card during the application process. Don't give them your credit card till you first do your research on that company. Now, who are the 3 best affiliate marketing coaches online? First, let me say that each of the coaches that I'm going to list are all beginner friendly. Now, why should you get a coach in the first place? Good question. You will succeed a lot faster because each of the coaches I'm going to mention is already very, very successful, and they'll steer you away from making costly, time-wasting mistakes. 2, you do not have to start from scratch because you will have access to proven ad layouts, templates, and email swipes that are working for them and their students. 3, each of the coaches will recommend website hosting sites and email responder services that are making them money, as well as solo ad providers, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and blog tips and tricks they learned over their many years of hard experience. Now, here is my list of the 3 best affiliate marketing coaches in alphabetical order. Each coach has their own way of doing things, so I urge you to check each one out and see who you feel would best suit your needs before you commit to one. The first one is Devin Brown. Devin Brown, that's D-E-V-O-N, Brown, and his 12-minute affiliate system, also known as 12MA. Needless to say, Devin Brown is in fact a real person. He has a legit social media presence with thousands of followers on Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. He's also a charismatic speaker and very successful entrepreneur. 12-minute affiliate is primarily marketed to people new to making money online. So even if you're a complete newbie, you can use the system with ease. The 12-minute affiliate system is an affiliate marketing program that has easy steps to help beginners make money without necessarily having to start a website, a YouTube channel, or any marketing platform. The program seeks to provide you with everything you need from training funnels, good support, products, and pay-as-you-go traffic. There is also optional one-on-one personal training using Zoom or GoToMeeting. In simple terms, 12-minute affiliate system works by you ordering traffic from your 12-minute affiliate account. This plug-and-play system will take you less than an hour to set up. 12-minute affiliate money-making method is simple to use and it does not require much expertise. Experienced marketers do all that 12MA offers, from the sales page, the opt-in pages, name, email, website sequence, the traffic, and other factors. The good thing about the pay-as-you-go traffic is that Devin knows where to go, what lists to get, what are the best lists to get for his students. You will not have to spend hundreds of hours or thousands of dollars starting everything from scratch. How the 12-minute affiliate system makes you money. Now, let's talk about the make money part. Here are the methods used by the 12-minute affiliate that will enable you to earn commissions on autopilot. You'll be provided with landing pages equivalent to websites when you join 12-Minute Affiliate. You get to choose from 3 niches: home business, this includes making money online; weight loss, one of the biggest sub-niches in health; and personal development. Now, I chose home business, and I've done very well with the home business niche on 12-Minute Affiliate System. You'll connect your landing page, your landing funnel page to your email autoresponder, such as Aweber. You'll need to pay for this, so note that this is an added cost to you. Setup is easy. They have instructions in their members area, but you can opt to pay a small fee to have them do it for you. However, I recommend you watch the setup videos and do it yourself. There's no pressure. You can go as slowly as you want. They'll give you pre-written emails, which you can import to your autoresponder. They recommend, and I use Aweber. These emails will contain promotional products which have been pre-selected by the 12MA system and their staff. You get traffic by buying it. This is another added cost to you, and that cost can be anywhere from $100 to a couple $100 for 100 or 200 clicks. The traffic you buy from 12MA will automatically be sent to your landing pages. At this point, I'd like it to make it clear that you're only buying clicks, not opt-ins or sales. So you really don't know how many people will subscribe to your email list when they get your email blast. In other words, it's entirely possible to spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars and not get a single sale. But for me, I got sales after getting about 500 subscribers on my email list. 12-Minute Affiliate provides their own traffic source, but again, there's no guarantee this traffic will be profitable. You'll earn affiliate commissions when people buy any of the products you're promoting. Your emails are coded with your ClickBank 12-Minute Affiliate link. Needless to say, having a large email list will give you more chances of selling something. Number 2 on my list of coaches is John Crestani and his super affiliate system, also known as SAS. Now, people who spend a decent amount of time on YouTube will recognize Crestani as a 30-something internet personality who shares advertising methods and promises to teach people ways to improve their online businesses and build wealth. John Crestani's super affiliate system is a huge coaching website in which you first go through a 14-course modules that contain 76 how-to and informational videos and will take you a minimum of 2 weeks to complete, as you can only watch one module in a 24-hour period. Now, I went very slowly, and it took me over a month to complete all 14 modules, and I took a lot of notes and repeated many of the teaching videos. In this hands-on training course, you'll learn everything from how to create and design effective pre-sale pages and compose converting ads on search networks and social media to scaling your business for maximum income. You'll also develop skills in research, copywriting, and data analysis. This course contains note-taking quizzes, 10 handouts, worksheets, 14 quizzes, and one final exam. There are weekly live webinars that are free, and there is an optional paid live weekly webinar called The Inner Circle with John Crestani himself. Both webinars will let you ask questions. There is also a huge library of resources, including ad swipes and made-for-you ad templates. One-on-one personal coaching is also available for a fee. John Crestani is a legend in the affiliate marketing world. He provides a lot of useful training for people who want to get into affiliate marketing. He organizes his content in a way that is easy to understand, and as for substance, it's all there. You will come into the program not knowing anything about affiliate marketing, and you'll leave having everything you could ever want to know. Now, I don't discuss prices because prices change and sometimes there's a sale. So if you want to know what these courses cost, just click on the links below. Next is Anthony Morrison. Partner with Anthony and the Morrison Education Courses. Again, another legend in the affiliate marketing business is Anthony Morrison. His Partner with Anthony program has 14 sessions. Each session can contain as many as 6 separate teaching video modules. You have to wait 24 hours before you can access the next session. The Partner with Anthony course took me over a month to complete, as I took many pages of notes and completed setting up my ClickFunnels, GetResponse, ClickBank, and Bluehost accounts. Anthony hosts a free live webinar every Thursday night. Anthony emphasizes building an email list and only promoting products that have a back-end residual income. His vast teaching website has several other optional courses such as Email Domination, Funnel Hacks Bootcamp, YouTube Masterclass, Fan Page Domination, and Digital Marketing Mastermind, just to name a few. Anthony is also now on the cutting edge of using automated webinars. Today, over 6,000 people worldwide are using Anthony's software to optimize their online businesses and generate higher returns on investment. The goal for Anthony as an entire Morrison publishing team is to triple that number in the next 2 years. Now, in conclusion, to succeed and make money, all 3 coaches require hard work and perseverance. The learning curve could be as long as a year. Real affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick overnight scheme. All the links you need are listed below. Just click on the Show More button. Again, to get prices for any of the courses, click on the links because they could be on sale and the prices change as we age here on the video. Now, currently I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, more particularly the Ambassador course, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business, and he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on his link below. Now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on my subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.